Can you stop being a jackass?
Hello, who am I here with today?
I'm Elijah Jamerson.
Nice to meet you, Elijah. What are some of your favorite hobbies outside of school?
I just like figuring out the little intricate mechanics of different systems. Tear something down to its finest parts.
Yeah.
Build something anew from it.
Minecraft or Fortnite?
Minecraft.
I agree.
Hey guys, I'm in New York City just hanging out.